Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rename or delete a tab group in Safari on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. Then in here, tap on the tabs button at the bottom. And then tap on the social group or tap on the tab groups arrow down button. And in here, tap on the edit. So in the tabs groups, tap on the edit button on the left hand side. Now select which group you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this social group. So I tap on the dot right here, the more options button. And then in here you can rename. If you want to rename, you choose rename. And I'm going to rename it to say social group 2122 and then tap on save. Okay, so that is how you can rename a tab group. To delete it, again we tap on the three little dot button and then tap on delete, and it asks you to confirm, so tap on delete to confirm, and that's it. So we have now removed a tab group, and that is how you can rename or delete a tab group on the iPhone 13 series. And then tap on done to finish, and tap on done to go back to the web page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.